How to use HQDFM to perform PCB DFA analysis. Part 5. Check through-hole component footprints. Number 2. 1. Prepare the Gerber and drill files, centroid and bomb files. Upload the Gerber files. 2. Click PCBA analysis and upload the centroid files and bomb. 3. Let HQDFM carry out footprint analysis and review the results. HQDFM found an issue with this component. The diameter of the through hole is too small. Verify the error by referring to the component's datasheet. Modify the plated through-hole design according to the manufacturer's datasheet and rerun the DFA analysis. The error is resolved after updating the file. HQDFM can highlight hundreds of different DFM and DFA problems in seconds. Download HQDFM for free and take your circuit board designs to the next level.